Syntax tree for actually the Navy could finance your college education. How to go about doing this? What's the basic message? Grundbudskapen. The basic message is somebody could finance something. If we do this first divide, subj, pred, then this first divide is here at could. That's where the predicate begins. And we have the subj going from the beginning up until the finite verb. So what do we have here then? In the subj, actually the Navy, we have two things. We have an adverbial, which is actually, the Navy, which is the subject, and in the predicate we have could finance is the predicator, and the direct object is your college education. The Navy could finance something. If we now look at this in detail, bit by bit, then we have the adverbial is realized, so this clausal function is realized by an adverbial phrase, and this is an adverbial and it's the word actually. The subject itself is realized by a noun phrase, and this consists of a determiner, which is the article the, and a noun, which is Navy. Going back to the predicator, then we have it's realized the predicator, which is always realized as a verb phrase, and in that verb phrase we have two verbs. There's a finite modal verb, could. Modal verbs are always finite, they cannot change, but they're always in finite verb position. And the lexical verb is finance. Looking at the direct object, and the direct object we have it's realized as a noun phrase. Now this noun phrase isn't as complicated, so instead of doing this determining a pre-modifier, head, post-modifier, I'll just take a shortcut here and state it. So there's a pronoun your, there's an adjective phrase realized as an adjective, college, and a noun, which is education. And that's the completion of this syntax tree.